And now it's recording this. So, rainy day in Dubai. There you see it. It's a very rare occurrence. But it is raining, huh? To prove it to you. And you can see the UAE flag, so you know we are in the UAE. And generally from the surroundings. We're going for a meeting at the DIFC. So right now I'm on my way to pick up my beloved sister. We're just off Sheikh Zayed Road here on the in front of us. Perpendicular is Sheikh Zayed Road, the infamous. Let me put this in the back. Good place for her to sit. And there she is. Waiting for me on the right side. Seems to be quite cold and windy. It's getting colder. Whoa. Hello, darling. How are you? You okay? You like my new sunglasses?
They're very big.
They're big?
Who gave them to you?
They're a present.
I can see that. That's who gave them to you.
So now we are entering Sheikh Zayed Road, perpendicular ahead. We're on our way to the meeting at DIFC, which is stands for DIFC, Dubai International Financial Center. We're on the service road. I am.
Is that how you feel with these glasses?
What do you mean that's how I feel?
It's making you want to report every move you're making with these glasses?
Why would these glasses make me want to do that? Just for the sake of the glasses, you mean? Or?
It depends if they have something in them and you're just trying to show off.
They do have something in them. It's called a camera. And
camera.
you're on camera. Say hi.
Yes.
You're going to be on YouTube. I'm going to put you on YouTube. I do have your permission, don't I?
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No.
You're my sister. You're not going to object.
Of course, I have my own opinion.
Yeah, opinion, but you're not going to be upset.
My opinion will be no.
Say yes.
No.
Now, say
No.
yes. Huh? No. Okay. So Sheikh Zayed Road up ahead, you can, well, I mean, we're on it now. You can see the high rises left and right. This is actually, there are a whole bunch behind us. We're now trying to turn left, so we're taking the, let's say, the right exit from the highway to make the left turn, which takes us towards either downtown or the IFC. Downtown would end up being on our right, the IFC on our left. Let's see how it goes. Actually, we're probably better off to make a U-turn, right? Rather than take the left turn. Let's see how that works out. Yeah, of course. Always be safe, folks.
You're so funny.
Okay. Actually, it's nice. I like it, yeah. I was just telling everyone that, you know, it makes a change. I like it personally. Some people don't like rain, but I love it. I miss it here. See all the developments in front of us. How do we turn? Yeah, down here. Okay. Oh, okay. So go left, you mean?
Oh, you want to go? No, you can go this way.
Are you sure it's not better to go? Okay.
No,
All right.
no, there's too much traffic.
Alright, it'll actually make for better viewing for the people. Okay, on the left side we have a Muruj Rotana project. On the right side we have Dubai downtown. The world's biggest shopping mall is here, Dubai Mall, on the right side. Quite impressive, I can say. And then you have a whole bunch of hotels being built and then residential buildings. We're gonna turn left to DIFC. So bear with us a little longer for the video, and we'll let you go and we'll go to our meeting. Actually, I'll make a part for entering the DIFC. Should be interesting for you. Hi, how are you? You know, you're gonna be famous, but they don't know much about you, so whoever wants to give you a thumbs up has to go through me. Okay, so we're turning to the DIFC section. We get those two oval type looking buildings. They're called Spark Towers. They're quite nice. They've got the lobbies, Versace design, but the upper floors are not so great, I guess. Not as great as the lobby design. You can see the Big Ben Tower in front. We gotta figure out a place to park when we arrive. We're not far away now. Which roundabout? There isn't a roundabout. You mean just the left side? Yeah, it's possible. Okay. Should I not park the way I did yesterday?
No, don't park.
That's too far?
I did yesterday.
Okay. But you know it's paid parking. It's quite expensive. First hour, yeah, that's true. Want to have a coffee, that's all. Well, no, we could.
10 minutes per hour?
I don't know. I thought 20, but I don't know actually. 20 is a bit steep. That's like $5.50 an hour, but 10, okay, you can, livable. Okay, so I think that's the Ritz-Carlton on our left, or not yet. That's the Lighthouse. Oh yeah, it is the Ritz-Carlton right there on the left. There. Okay. Nice area here. Down to Emirates Towers. You came from here or from the other side?
I came from here.
What is this? Skyline? What sort of prices do they have? Who told you about it? No, Empower is the electricity substation, isn't it? Don't be near a substation. You know, there can be electromagnetic waves. I go left here? Okay, that roundabout, yeah. Yeah, I got it. Understood. I think once I roundabout on this road, which I don't remember there was, So as you can see, it's a pleasant city. The trees have some sand, I guess, in them. Some of the trees. Here you have more greenery, which is nice. Now we're facing Sheikh Zayed Road again from the back. Those towers right in front. And here on the right side is Emirates Towers Hotel and Business Center. Now we're at this roundabout. On the left side is the DIFC. The gate is called that building. It's the Dubai International Financial Center. And there are various offices, financially related usually, or services for the financially related businesses. So we're gonna try to find a parking. We're going here on the right. And then we'll continue this video in a little bit, of course. So bye for now.